Welcome to today's video on IPTV boxes, where curiosity meets legality. First, let's talk about the top IPTV provider, 2TV Store. For excellent service, reach out to Nancy through the link in the description. Now, let's dive into the big question, are IPTV boxes legal? It's a discussion echoing across living rooms and tech forums worldwide. Stay tuned as we unravel this intriguing topic step by step. Firstly, legality depends heavily on your location and the streaming service's content legality. In some regions, unlicensed broadcasting could land you in hot water, whereas licensed streaming is fully legal. How do you determine if a service is legal? Look for licensing from rights holders and ensure the IPTV box only streams authorized content. Ignoring these can lead to legal consequences. We've learned that checking for legitimate licensing is crucial. If unsure, customer supports like Nancy at 2TV Store are great to address your questions and doubts about IPTV services. In conclusion, understanding the legal framework is essential before investing in an IPTV box. Remember, resources like 2TV.store make navigating this tech-savvy world easier.